Hi guys, so I am back with another little Winnie the Pooh journal. This one is a one signature soft cover, fabric covered. This is I had some paper left over from the big Winnie the Pooh journal, so I just decided to make a smaller one just because I had the paper left, and I didn't want to have to put the paper away. So this is what I came up with. It is a soft cover. I covered it with this pretty fabric inside and out and stitched the image. You can't stay in your corner of the forest waiting for others to come to you. You have to go to them sometimes. So that is the back, and this is the front. And the front says, Christopher Robin, whispered Pooh, yes, Pooh Bear, I'll never not remember you, ever. So that was pretty cute. I have gold metal corners, and then for the spine, I just put this crochet lace. Very simple. It's more like a writing journal. For the closure, I just use the same crochet. You can take it off if you want to put another closure, but I just tied it, put a little bow pin. I hanged a little lock, and on the other side I hanged a key, so it's a rough closure. Have some grommets there and there. And let's go inside. Like I said, it's very simple, but I still stitched the crochet lace on the edges. It's the same as this. So the inside, I have a little library card pocket here, so you can add notes, put your name. Note from the bookmaker is in there. Then you have your first page, and you have your avocado dyed paper and your coffee dyed paper. And then in the inside you have your postcard backed onto all the paper that I stitched onto the cards is backed onto my eco dyed paper. That's what I did for this one. And then you have a little flip here that I have just collaged. More coffee dyed paper. Have a little pocket here with some crochet trim. Another little corner tuck here with another postcard. Look at the leaf imprint on that one. Some vintage music sheet. Some tracing paper. Have a little card here that I use as a side tuck. And I just added this eyelash trim. Some onion skin paper. I added a little bag that I just have crochet trim on it. A little tiny envelope, and in here I just added a little, I can get it out. It's a little Norman Rockwell card. It's the one with the Joker. So I just added that in there with a little applique, and then I have this little tag with some lace on the top. I stapled that one. Another postcard. Another pocket here with some trim. And another postcard. And here you have another tag with some more trim. And here is another Norman Rockwell. here I just added a little sheet from the book. You can cut these and play with it and add them to the book if you want to. So I just added that in there. So there are 80 pages front and back on this book. That one, 80 pages. I believe it's 80 pages. I'll count and put it in the listing, but I'm pretty sure it's 80 pages front and back. Here's a Crafty Irina pocket, and you have this big tag. Goes in there, and then in here you have another one of these, and then in here you have another one of these, and this one. Get right in the back. The other side of the bag. And Pooh and Piglet. Have this one in this pocket. More music. Avocado paper. And here I just have a little bag and another page of the book that you can play with, and that is the back of this book. So it's chunky, it's nice, so I hope you like it. It'll be in my shop, and of course it comes with a bag of goodies that you can play with even further. So this will be listed in my shop, and I'm coming back with another little mishmash journal. It'll be another one signature, and it'll be for my Etsy shop as well. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.